Why install weather stations using a sailing vessel? It was really interesting in this project to work with Vaisala and the University of Liège for this installation with a limited, as much as possible, carbon emissions. The weather stations were shipped directly from Finland to Denmark, where they boarded a cargo ship that regularly supplies Greenland. About 3 weeks later, we picked them up in a small port in South Greenland. We load them aboard our 15-meter sailing vessel, and it took us only about 3 weeks to install all 3 weather stations successfully. That's using no airplanes, no helicopters, no quads, just manpower, 6 people, small team, successfully done, remote location in the Arctic.